Okay, ma'am. Second one is to find the cube root of 0.274625, and I know I have to find the cube root of 2,74,625 first, and I'll do it in few seconds by following 3 simple steps. In step 1, I will separate the last 3 digits of the perfect cube from the remaining ones, and then there are 2 parts. In part 1, I have 274, and in part 2, there is 625. Now we will use these parts for the next step, and that is, in step 2, I will focus on part 2, and I'll get the units place digit of my cube root by looking at chart. And now when I will see my chart, then perfect cube ending with the unit digit 5 has cube root with unit digit 5 itself. So surely unit digit place of my cube root is 5, and then we will find the tens place digit of the cube root by moving to step number 3. Here we will consider part 1 to find the tens place digit by finding a perfect cube equal or smaller than 274, which is my part 1. And it is 5 cube, that is 125. 6 cube, which is 216. Yes, right, as 7 cube is bigger than 274, and cube root of 216 is 6. Therefore, I got my tens place digit, that is, I have 6 at tens place and 5 at units place. And the cube root is 65. Correct, ma'am?
Yes, Savali. So, for cube root of 0.274625, place decimal at the appropriate position.
Of course, ma'am. I remember. If there are 6 digits after decimal from the right side in my question, then I have to place decimal after 2 digits from the right end in my answer, and it will become 0.65.
Very nice, Savali. Okay, now do not forget these 3 steps when you are trying to find the cube root of a given number.
Of course, ma'am. I must thank you from the bottom of my heart for teaching me this topic in such a clear manner.